the surgeon matter? That's my second question. When it comes to hair transplant, now we're going into hair transplant specifically now. Does the surgeon that's going to do your hair transplant, does he or she matter? The person actually going to do the hair transplant.
So let me answer in this way and say their skills matter, their approach matters, their understanding matters. So especially with curly hair, just because as you appreciate, straight hair, the angle at which the hair leaves the skin is the angle at which it enters, right? So beneath the skin, it's straight down. With curly hair, you can have a curl that's like a J curl, like a proper O. So if you're not with someone who knows how to handle our hair, textured hair, then actually the risk is of damaging a limited resource, which is the donor area. So I do believe that your surgeon matters. I do believe the
Let me
approach
be biased a little bit. I mean, if they have to prove to you, I do Afro textured hair, you better not, don't go. If they have to, work so hard at proving to you, no, you don't have.
Yeah. But I also
Mm-mm.
think, like most things, the equipment matters. If you want to go
Thank
skiing
you.
and
That
you
was
don't
my
have
next
the right,
question. The
yeah,
equipment.
yeah, that makes a big difference. So you can have the equipment and you need someone who knows how to use it.
How to use
So,
it.
and who's also committed to
The
training, to keep
training.
training. And
Good.
that applies to
So
all.
so you're saying the first thing is the surgeon matters,
Mm-hmm.
and the way they listen and handle you,
Mm-hmm.
it
Mm-hmm.
matters, and their knowledge,
Yeah,
it matters. Then number two, you said the machine they use matters too.
the equipment,
And
absolutely.
the machine, everything, it matters. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So is there some machine they need to be looking out for, or you just don't want to name anything? Is there any specific machine or equipment you want them to know? Hey, this is the best one, or you just want to just say no, whichever one they
Well,
should use
what
their
I'd say,
best judgment.
there are lots of things out there. So if you have someone who's not skilled, doesn't know what they're doing, with the best equipment in the world, you may not be walking away with a hair transplant. But I can tell you what I currently use in my clinic, if that's the question. So we've used, in fact, I'm a gadget queen. And but I'd say I have to be honest, I've tried a number of machines, if you like, for hair restoration, and the Zeus has been a game changer in our clinic for Afro textured
Me
hair.
too.
So